Hi everyone, welcome to Strike. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the new feature which has been much awaited by all the subscribers, that is importing your own watch lists into Strike. I'll show you how to use it. So whenever you create a new watch list here, now this new import functionality has been given where you can upload your own CSV file with a list of stocks, and all those stocks will get added at once. So once I click on that, you can download this sample file. So this is how the format looks like for the list that you have to upload. The first header should have the word symbol, and then you can add the NSE symbols for all the stocks you add. So these are 4 pre-added for just to help you. So I'll just upload this file itself to show you how the process looks like. So we'll click on upload and choose that file, and as you can see the file has got uploaded and those 4 stocks got added automatically in my watch list. Now at the same time, you can also download this list if you want by clicking right clicking and clicking on export, and it will get downloaded to your system. This is how the file will get downloaded to your system. So thanks for using Strike. I hope you all like this feature and will help you immensely in creating your own watch list. Thank you.